What began as a commitment to our students to provide an inspiring Limudei Kodesh and General Studies program in a challenging yet nurturing environment has exploded into a school where the academic opportunities are endless. Passion for Torah learning is palpable, and our school spirit is unparalleled. We are an institution that can weather any storm because we are a family, and most importantly, we celebrate the true gift that is our students. Welcome to TABC. Hello and welcome to TABC. I really wish that you could be here in person. Allow me to take you on a tour of our wonderful yeshiva. Let's walk the halls together, and you will discover what it is that makes this such a wonderful place.
We all have different paths here at TABC, but one thing unites us. It's that we all love to come to school every day, and we're all excited to learn. First stop, the epicenter of our motivated and driven youth, where Torah permeates the building. Whether it's Tzorba D'Rabbanan, Night Seder, our Masmidim program, or scintillating Chavrusa learning, this is where it happens.
Freshman year, I will never forget my amazing Gemara class. I remember not just what my Rebbe taught, but how he taught it with his whole heart. Our Rebbeim understand our challenges and strengths and are there to help us achieve. We have several learning opportunities outside our regular Shir and Limudei Kodesh classes. In addition to Night Seder, where over 100 guys stay to learn, we have Tzorba D'Rabbanan during the Mincha break, and TABC offers a daily Rambam Chabura, Shnai Mikra Chabura, and Pesachim B'Kiyos Chabura, where the yeshiva is going to complete the entire Masechta together.
On the way to our next stop, let me point out Rabbi Wiener's office. He is our Limudei Kodesh principal. Moving right along, our classrooms are outfitted with smartboard technology, light and airy. The brightness literally shines through at TABC.
We are essentially a one-floor school with all the classrooms and administrators on one floor. It's so easy to make new friends and to meet new kids.
My world history teacher makes the lessons come alive. My teachers are vibrant, passionate, and proud of what they teach.
I like all the different electives we could choose from in TABC, whether it's acting, coding, journalism, or studio art. We have hands-on instruction in all our classes. And with our smaller class sizes, it's easy to get to know my teachers and classmates.
Come along and explore our cutting-edge makerspace. Technology is a part of everyone's daily life, and at TABC we embrace that by creating an interactive classroom experience and empowering our students to engage in technology in high school and beyond, ultimately to make the world a better place.
In engineering class, we learned about multiple coding languages and electronics, and made prototypes of the inventions that we designed. We created our own STEM showcase, and then we competed as a school inside Innovation Day.
Let's head upstairs for a moment and check out our beautiful Beit Knesset.
We daven here each morning, and the Beit Knesset also provides a great environment for Chavrusa learning throughout the day.
Just across from the Beit Knesset is our Learning Center, where we have small classroom instruction, peer tutoring, and homework help. No tour of our building would be complete without our next stop. Beakers, burners, and other tools make the natural sciences come alive here in our science labs.
We have over 25 scholastic and athletic teams. That doesn't include clubs and newspapers. There is truly something for everyone at TABC.
We have an amazing athletics program and physical education curriculum. We have 2 state-of-the-art gyms, so there's plenty of room for all the action.
JV hockey, JV basketball, and varsity basketball were all co-champions this past year. Our ability to win displays how hard we work and how hard we play every single day. In my opinion, the most unique aspect of TABC sports are the coaches that guide us, mentor us, and give everyone the confidence to push each other to our limits.
Whether you're on a team or not, anyone can play TABC intramurals. It's really a great way to bond with your friends.
One of my favorite places in the building is the Storm Cafe, another quiet space for students to study, relax, or eat.
There are lots of ways to wind down at TABC. When we finish our work, of course. 2 gyms and ping pong tables, Storm Cafe Lounge, and even taking a walk on our campus are up the block.
It's just great to be able to walk up the block during our breaks. Sometimes I bump into my mom, which I know she loves.
All students can go out to lunch or bring lunch from home. Students that go out to lunch can go to any of the many restaurants that are just up the block. All freshmen have lunch at the same time, so they really get to know each other.
Student Council brings in Chinese and humble toast once a week. Also, something unique to TABC is that our Rebbeim and faculty take us out to lunch. This really enhances the relationships we have with our teachers and our Rebbeim.
At TABC, we are a real community of learners. We rely on our friends to help guide us, and a large part of our high school experience is built upon the personal relationships we have with our rebbeim and teachers.
We participate in numerous chesed opportunities throughout the year, from sukkah building for the elderly, running a Hanukkah party for the Ohel community, or distributing food and clothing to the New York City homeless. I participate in the weekly Sinai Lunch Buddy program right here in our building. Being exposed to a variety of different types of students helps us create a real sensitivity to others and encourages a commitment to chesed.
Let's get a sneak peek of the guidance department. We have 5 full-time guidance counselors as well as grade deans, mechanchim, who are responsible for the welfare of our students, and we make sure not to let students fall through the cracks. Each student has a designated guidance counselor who meets with them throughout the year.
The entire guidance department has an open door policy, and I feel comfortable stopping by their offices anytime I need.
Welcome to our college guidance office. We have a robust and dedicated college guidance department. Our mission is helping students achieve success in getting to the college of their choice. Many of our students choose to attend a post-high school dual curriculum program like TABC, so they may go to YU, where many are recipients of the prestigious YU Honors Award, but we also have students attending secular college and Ivy League.
TABC's AP program is very comprehensive. For my junior and senior year, I was able to choose from a wide selection of advanced placement courses.
TABC's College Guidance Department hosts several programs for juniors, seniors, and their parents. Throughout the year, we get a chance to meet lots of different college representatives who come to TABC to speak to us about why their college or university may be right for us.
97% of our student body chooses to spend a gap year in Israel before college or university. There is something at TABC that words can't quite describe. Those little moments with friends, with rebbeim and teachers, on a team, in a competition, acting in a play. It's the time that we feel the most alive. We are many, and yet we are one. We are more than a school. We're a home, a family. We are TABC. Thank you for joining us on a magical tour of our school. We hope that you were able to experience what it is that is so special about our yeshiva. We look forward to greeting you live and in person in the very near future.